Oh boy. So I was meant to do this video yesterday because I was thinking about it on my in my head. I don't know why I'm doing it now, but hey. So I'm gonna actually show you how to put your actual save files. So I'm gonna show you how to insert all your save data onto a flash drive, just so you can actually save just so you can actually have your save files in PCSX2, or in my case, since I rock Android a lot, yes, I'll be showing you how to do it on AetherSX2 as well, because since you can do it on AetherSX2, let's get right into it. A few key requirements before we start this. So of course you're gonna need an actual PS2 with all your PS2 save data and everything. Let me show you right now. So I'm gonna be using my my main one right here, because this actually has all my save data on it. A flash drive, because we're gonna be putting it onto a mass storage. We're of course gonna need PCSX2 and my MC. So of course we're gonna need a Windows device that can run it as well. And in our cases, for Android, yes, AetherSX2, since we're gonna be putting on our Android devices as well. And of course, you're gonna need a modified PS2 for this as well. I'm sorry, stock PS2 owners, but yeah. In my case, I have a modified memory card that has free MC boot on it. But of course, since I did it since I showed my freaking actual memory data, I had to exit out. So yeah, do that. Exit out. There we go. Free MC boot. There we go. That's much more better. Yeah. There we go. So insert it there. We already have I already have my memory card inserted to my PS2 Slim. So you're gonna need to go to ULaunch ELF. Alright, you have to press circle for file browser, and then now click on circle to go to your memory card, your first one. If you have all your save data on another memory card, and then you plugged in the modified memory card into your PS2, or at the very least, if you have like a modified PS2, because I would recommend you actually have a modified PS2 than a stock one, honestly. You can actually like have both save data on both of your memory cards. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mark everything on our memory card, because this is because we want to get everything out of here. Press R1 and then press circle to copy it. Now press triangle, go down until you go to mass. This flash drive I have here actually has some data on here, because since there's some disk that I have but they don't work, unfortunately. So I was rocking, basically, I was just, playing games with my flash drive. I know that's not the intended way to play games, because since there are some issues with flash drives, but hey, it worked fine for me. As long as there's nothing intensive or nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this PS2 thing. So now you want to press R1 again if you are in your flash drive. Do not do paste or MC paste. Do PSU paste. Yes, it should be copying everything now. I did have some issues with the save data. That was for Hitman 2, because I don't know why, but every single time that PSU paste Hitman 2 onto this flash drive, it will lock up my PS2. I had to hard reset it in order for me to actually continue this. So I had to get rid of Hitman 2, unfortunately. The Hitman 2 save data that was inside this memory card. everything else works fine. So if you have issues with this, then yeah, locate the thing that's causing it to crash. And just locate what it is that's locking up your PS2, and then unfortunately you do need to get rid of it, or just skip over it. This is not like the full way to actually to actually get data off of your PS2, because some save data does not cooperate with the flash drive whatsoever, or cooperate with ULaunch Alpha as well. So now everything's copied over here. So now I'm going to be switching over to my Windows device. Yes, this is a MacBook. This has a Windows partition on it. Let's get straight into this as well. Okay, now I'm booted into my Windows operating system. So now, unfortunately, I had to unplug my keyboard here, because I need to plug in my flash drive now. There we go. Since I have PCSX2 already inserted here, and I done this before as well. I'm just following what I did back then. You want to launch MyMC. Select the first memory card, because I like my things to be on the first memory card. Now you want to import your saves, and then look for your flash drive. If you have it in the folder, then locate that folder as well. And then after that, just insert every single save data that you have on here. Yeah, it's yeah, if you get this, then yeah, it's just telling you that yeah, you do have a save data present. So yeah, let me just skip over this. So now once you have everything in MyMC, you can feel free to close it. Launch PCSX2, and I'll carefully remove my flash drive as well, because since we don't need it. Of course, it needs an update. Remind me later. So now you want to connect to your controller, or if you want to use a keyboard, then that's fine as well. But I'm gonna use a controller. You want to go to you want to start the BIOS if you do have a BIOS for PCSX2. I mean, it's kind of required. Launch. We're just trying to make sure that it actually does. Oh shit, my freaking bindings are screwed up. God damn it. So yeah, like I said before, we're just trying to make sure to see if the save data is actually in PCSX2, and which it is. So look at that. So if everything is showing, then you're good to go. But now, if this is what you want to actually import your save data to PCSX2, you're done. But for us Android owners, we're gonna go to AetherSX2, which this will get a lot easier. So follow my guide. So you want to now connect your data cable for your Android device onto your PC, and then after that connect your Android device as well onto your PC. If I can find the freaking thing. There we go. And so now you want to go back into the file browser again, locate your device, and then after that go to your, if you have AetherSX2 installed, go to Android and then data, and then scroll down until you see xyz.AetherSX2.android. Look into the files, and then go to mem cards, and this is where we're gonna be opening up our PCSX2. Yeah, we're gonna open up our PCSX2 location, and we'll be doing the same thing. Locate mem cards, and then drag the memory card that we inserted all of our save data to into the Android data. And so now everything should be up and going, but we'll make sure. So I'm gonna switch over to my Android, and then we'll continue from there. All right then. Hello to my Android device. So now we're gonna be actually starting the BIOS. All right, so now we're gonna go to our browser. Go into our memory card. There it is. This was my guide to actually importing all of your save data to PCSX2 and AetherSX2. It really is simple, and I'm surprised that no one actually attended this before. If they were, I have not seen anything on YouTube or anything, nor even on Google as well, because since that's how I freaking search up how to do these things as well. But yeah, if there were people who did this before, then please let me know. But yeah, you successfully now imported all of your save data to AetherSX2 and on PCSX2 with this simple guide. I hope you all enjoyed. It's probably gonna take me another year or so to upload. I'm sorry about that, but it's just like I just a bit. Let's just say that I'm just really a procrastinator, and I just don't want to upload that much. And also, I'm gonna be working in a couple of days as well, so there's that as well. So I really can't be uploading videos or anything. And I hope you all have a safe day. Peace out.